All right, here's the first part of our haul. This is from Walmart, just delivered. Just some basics we wanted for the week. I'm going to also be doing a trip to Aldi because I want to stock up on a lot of protein because we had a no spend week last week. So now it's the replenish everything week. So let's get started in telling you what I got from Walmart, what our meal plan is and what I'm thinking. So over here, we got some fresh ingredients, got some cilantro. This looks so good. They gave us a nice fresh bundle. Some white whole mushrooms, 3 bananas. I've been eating bananas more. I used to think they were too high in starch and sugars, but they really are a good natural food source with some of the magnesium and potassium. So been adding that back into my breakfast. And then 2 lemons, 2 avocados, 2 apples goes along with that as well. I make oatmeal now. 18 eggs, always having our eggs, and we're always having our cauliflower mash. So I got 2 bags of the frozen cauliflower florets, a little package here of the Jimmy Dean regular sausage, and then some other protein items. We did get some chicken tenders, some bacon, and then some chicken thighs. I also like a sheet pan meal with all the hearty vegetables, and the bone in, skin on chicken thighs are best for that. More sliced cheese, Swiss cheese, and then we got some Greek yogurt, 2 things of Philadelphia cream cheese. Every dip seems to always include cream cheese, so I always have 2 on hand, or at least 1 on hand. And then this one is the whipped cream cheese. I like that for my breakfast. We got some more mayo, used up all ours over the weekend with our appetizers. That's our avocado mayo. Got some more ranch. We do like this Boathouse Farms Classic Ranch. It is, I think that's made with, yeah, the yogurt dressing, so it's a little lighter. So we got that. Needed some sugar for baking, so just a thing of sugar, and then we like our kosher salt. So real quick, just so you know, staples mainly here with the eggs and the cauliflower you see every week, and our bacon and cheese. So we're gonna have a bigger haul with Aldi next. All right, here's our Aldi haul, and these are all the items I did purchase during my lunch hour. Grabbed them all, put them in the fridge at the break room at work, and then took it all back out and then brought it on home. And I'm going to share with you everything I bought from Aldi today and the menu board, what I'm planning for the menus this week, along with the Walmart haul. So let's get into everything we bought from Aldi today. So I got this spinach and arugula. This time I went with the organic baby spinach and arugula mix. I really like both of those, so why not mix them together? And that is a nice package of that. Really like that. Different variety for us. Always getting our broccoli. So 2 heads of broccoli, a head of lettuce. I got some almond milk. I really like that for my oatmeal and for smoothies. So that's really good deal there. And then the package of 3 peppers, the multicolor, the red and the orange. So I got a package of that. And then just a small package here of the smoked salmon. We'll probably get a larger package from Sam's. We really like their smoked salmon, but a small package to get us by from Aldi will work. And then some deli meat. I got some smoked, oh, I didn't realize that was smoked. Okay, smoked turkey breast, that's fine. And then I did pick up the everything sourdough. I really like this sourdough. Now, I've been making my own, but I'm taking a couple weeks off, so I'm just gonna feed my starter and just let it sit in the fridge. And we have been eating off of that, and now I'm a little low, so I just wanted, and I really like this. This is a really good variety there at Aldi, is the everything sourdough. So picked up some of that, just a loaf of that. And then I did get us a small chicken. This is a whole young chicken, and I really like this size because this is going to fit into my air fryer. The original air fryer I have from Pampered Chef has the rotisserie setting, and I've been wanting to make another one of these, so we're gonna do that. And then some more protein. I really got this for my son. Black Angus strip steak. So that looked really good. Got one of those. Speaking of beef, trying to up our beef and our protein. So I got this chuck roast. Thought that would be great in a slow cooker. It's a great meal with some potatoes, carrots, and anything else we have. Organic mussels. These just intrigued me. You could have these just in some garlic and wine broth. Oh my gosh, that would be so great. Anyway, I thought those looked really, really good. All right, more protein over here. I did get this pork. This is a half pork loin. And the reason I got this is I finally, well, I didn't make it. My son actually smoked a pork
roast that we had gotten over the holidays. I had it frozen. We made it. He put it in the into the smoker, and it turned out fabulous. Now that's a holiday roast that only comes, around the holidays. But this one here, I was hoping he could do the same cooking method and see if it turns out just as good. I'm hoping it does, because that smoked roast was amazing. So that was what inspired that purchase. Okay, I bought some chips, some cauliflower potato chips, the sour cream and onion. I've bought these before. They are a good crisp. They're a good, nice salt, and you feel a little better because they're cauliflower and non-GMO, so gluten-free, vegan ingredients, plant-based. But then I got the Ritz toasted chips. This was an impulse buy because I was hungry during my lunch hour and they sounded so good. So on my healthy day, sunflower or cauliflower, and then my cheat days, toasted chips by Ritz. Okay, check this item out. I've never seen this at Aldi before. I've never seen it before. This is the Bavarian Beast 1 pound soft pretzel. I think there's some appetizer I can make with this in the future. I was thinking, this is so large. Wouldn't this be great to serve and you put your dips like in the actual pretzel holes here? Anyway, I had a few creative ideas, but this can stay in the freezer. That's how I purchased it. It was in the freezer, so we'll just leave it until I think of the perfect time to bring it out. Okay, additional items. Speaking of a splurge item, this is mocha mascarpone cheesecake. This sounds amazing. So my birthday is coming up and I thought, why not? That sounds like the perfect combination of the best flavors. I love mascarpone, I love mocha, cheesecake, sure, yes. And I didn't have to make it. So I'm gonna indulge on that, sounds so good. Some other indulging items, but not on the sweets, but more on the savory category. I like these little Insta meals, and some of these were just so unique. This one is the ready to eat. This is Bombay lentil curry with turmeric rice. That sounded so great, just an instant quick meal. Another ready to eat, this quinoa meal. It's artichoke and roasted peppers. I've not seen this before. That way, you're portion controlled, everything's included, and it's just an easy, quick, ready to eat meal. Another one, this is the butter chickpeas and veggies with sweet potatoes and spinach. It's ready in 90 seconds. How great does that look? So easy to just throw in your bowl and you have lunch. So I thought that was some great unique items for lunchtime. All right, some staples here that we just needed. We needed more mild buffalo sauce. I got the Sweet Baby Ray's. Needed more ranch, so we got the Hidden Valley. I like our Knorr chicken bouillon base, so we use that a lot. I have a little container, so now they had this size. I went ahead and grabbed it. We'll use that, I'm sure. And then this was inspired by actually the Facebook group of the Aldi Isle of Shame. This is their extra virgin olive oil that says Estepa Virgin. And this is just a high quality extra virgin olive oil. So I was excited to see that it was in my store because a lot of them were talking that it was only available on the East Coast. So it was nice to be able to have that available. Got me that. Okay, Mango Ride. This is a alternative to Mango Cart, which is a very popular kind of ale. So I'm curious to try this wheat ale that is Mango Ride instead of Mango Cart. See how that compares. So that's a 6-pack of that. And then this is just one of their storage. This is a fridge storage bin. I actually bought one, same thing from Amazon, and it was $16. And this one was $5. So if you're looking for one of these, I use it for our meat, but this one actually comes with like a labeling, little sticker labels. My other one did not. So that is our haul. That's everything we purchased. And I'll put the total on the screen here for you, and I'll take a picture of the receipt. Hopefully that receipt, the picture will help in showing all the details on everything I got if you want to check out the price and see. So that's everything. Let's hit that menu board and see what I have planned.
Here is our menu board. These are the meals we are planning for the week. We are going to have that smoked pork loin. My son is going to smoke that for us. We'll serve that with broccoli. Looking forward to that one. We'll have some chicken nuggets. It's one of my go-to favorite meals. I'm going to whip that up with some potatoes and Brussels sprouts, and that'll probably all go in the air fryer. Speaking of air fryer, the rotisserie chicken, we'll put that in the air fryer with serve that with some ginger rice. And then a crock pot meal with that beef roast. Maybe have some leftover carrots and potatoes to go with that. And then it's my birthday week, so we will be going out for dinner that evening. And then I have a cookbook called Well Plated, and there was a chicken thigh recipe. So if I don't roast the chicken thighs, there is this recipe with olives and lemons. Sounded really good, looks really good. So I'm thinking I'll just make that recipe to use up all the olives we have. And then fish sandwiches, that's a quick meal with the homemade coleslaw. So that's what we're planning for meals this week. And then over here, Decide Once meals. This is a video I'm working on, so this is a reminder, and it's going to include those chicken nuggets, the roasted chicken, a quiche, and trifle salad. So that's just a reminder for me for this week. But those are the meals and the plan for this week. Looking forward to another great week. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.